Hello and welcome to my channel. In this short video I visit Ireland for the first time, which I did in July 2022. The prime reason for going was to visit Youghal in County Cork, which is where my father's family came from. I had no set plans after that, so I ended up following some of the routes for the Wild Atlantic Way. In this part 1 video, I travel from Youghal up to Killarney, visiting various locations on the way. I camped at Killarney for 3 nights, and from there I visited the Ring of Kerry and the Dingle Peninsula. For 4 days after arriving, I had to return to Wales, and now I got a few, comments about my leaving at 6:30 in the morning on a Moto Guzzi Californian. The warden thought that 2 bikers had woken him up in the morning. Shows how much noise the Guzzi makes. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please like and subscribe.